editor of Products Finishing here with a preview of the November issue of our magazine. This month we take a look at the agricultural sector with features covering new technologies aiding coders and some behind-the-scenes peeks at successful coding facilities that have been experiencing growth even during challenging times. First up, we take a look at how finding the right chemistry made all the difference for a farm equipment supplier that was experiencing paint adhesion issues. We'll learn about how the adoption of new ERP software helped a Minnesota-based powder coater streamline its process, improve its productivity, and increase its profitability. We'll also hear strategies for powder coating success in two shop profiles that take you inside a couple of Indiana-based shops, each with a different focus and approach to growing their business. You'll also find additional insights into cleaning and pretreatment in this month's On the Line interview column and our quarterly parts cleaning section. As always, the issue also includes the latest industry news, trends, and innovations. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.